Excuse me, your hair is making it hard to learn.
Oh,
So,
sorry.
Wednesday is picture day. I know I say this every year, but school pictures are how people will remember you for the rest of your lives. And because school pictures are so important, and our hair will be neat. I repeat, our hair will be neat.
The teacher's reminder made Rainbow suddenly feel that her hairstyle was awful, and she started to doubt herself. So when she got home, she couldn't wait to ask her mom to take her to the salon to straighten her hair.
Miss Collins said my hair should look neat.
Excuse me? She said neat.
Who are you to tell my daughter how to wear her hair?
How dare you?
Her mom was very angry, believing that what the teacher had said, even if it was unintentional, had seriously hurt Rainbow's self-esteem and was disrespectful to her growth. As a teacher, she should have taught kids to love their natural selves.